Hi guys! Konnichiwa! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on the other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, another attraction dito pa rin tayo sa Shibuya sa Japan! So guys, are you ready for some attraction for today's video? What are you waiting for? Happy watching!
The entrance and ticket counter for Shibuya Sky is located on the 14th floor of Shibuya Scramble Square. Shibuya Sky and the Sky Lobby on the 11th floor of the nearby Shibuya Hikari building are different locations. Please be aware that there have been many mistakes made regarding these locations. To reach the 14th floor smoothly, please use the elevator located on the first floor outside the building.
We are now at the Shibuya Tower. Is this Shibuya Tower, Jack?
Shibuya Scramble is the name of the building, but we're going up to the Shibuya Sky.
Yeah, Shibuya Sky Tower. Look. You can see the Shibuya crossing over there.
On the rooftop and 46th floor, there are designated lockers on the 46th floor for storing items prohibited from being brought outdoors.
Hey guys, we're going to the rooftop. Okay guys, Jax.
There's all the shops from last night. Unigo, you got the loft there as well. There's Donkey.
Where's you go?
See the Rudy Park. Very much looks like New York. A bit like the park in the middle.
So we're going up, guys. So you can see Tokyo, Shibuya, and some of the suburbans area.
Shibuya Sky is one of Tokyo's most striking modern observation decks, offering a dramatic open-air view high above the heart of Shibuya. Located on the rooftop of Shibuya Scramble Square, it delivers a completely different experience from enclosed towers by immersing visitors directly in the sky, with sweeping 360-degree views that place Tokyo's energy right beneath your feet. The experience begins with an ascent through sleek indoor viewing areas before emerging onto the open rooftop deck, where glass railings and minimal design create an uninterrupted panorama.
Jax.
No sun tanning.
Huh?
No sun tanning allowed.
See Mama and friends.
Yeah, there's actually like a skateboard to go on top of the building there, like a skate park.
Kapamilya na, let's go na.
Tayo. Yes!
From this vantage point, landmarks such as Shibuya Crossing, Tokyo Tower, and even Tokyo Skytree on clear days come into view.
Tower. Yes,
Watching the
that's it.
sunset from Shibuya
That's the
Sky is
tower of
especially
the-
popular, as the city gradually transforms from daylight into a sea of glowing lights, making it one of the most sought-after viewpoints in Tokyo.
diba? May seating pa. Seating. Sana all the great.
Yes! The guy's on a hold on. Yes!
Sana all the great clean.
Yes!
What you can bring onto the rooftop: a neck strap or pocket-sized camera, binoculars with a neck strap or pocket-sized, and a smartphone.
Okay guys, so you need to put a 100 yen doon sa my locker. So tag-isa kami ng locker ni Jax. Oh, that one up. Look up. So yes, so you need to have a $1 coin, yen, 100 yen to lock the locker. Correct, Jax?
Good.
So ayan again guys, si Jax ay, so we are at the Shibuya Tower, Sky. And you can see some of the jeans spot, Tokyo, Shibuya, and yeah, and more. Hey guys, si Mama is yes, Jax. Oh look, they have a Shibuya Sky roof mix on Spotify. So you can see the train. So yes, so there's a lot of there's a few security guard here. It's closed now. There's a mirror, guys. Chaxmo.
Yes!
Yes. Oh, look, a ladder helipad, Jaxmo.
Shibuya Sky is designed as much for atmosphere as it is for views. The rooftop space feels calm and refined despite being in one of the busiest districts in the world, with carefully curated lighting, music, and seating areas that encourage visitors to slow down and take it all in. Photography is a major draw, though there are rules around securing cameras and personal items due to the open-air setting, adding to the sense of safety and order.
Okay, this is another area, guys. Suburbans.
Only rental strollers provided by our facility are allowed on the rooftop. If you would like to use a rental stroller, please stop by the information desk on the 46th floor. Please note that there is a limited number of rental strollers available. When using a stroller, you will not be able to enter some areas of the rooftop, such as the
there's a
helipad.
helipad again, guys.
We recommend using a baby
This
carrier.
is very top.
If your clothing does not have pockets, carry-on bags are available for rent at the information desk. Please speak to an information staff member if you would like one. Because of its popularity, tickets for Shibuya Sky are time-based and often sell out in advance, particularly for sunset slots. Planning ahead is strongly recommended, especially on weekends and during peak travel seasons. Its central location makes it easy to pair with shopping, dining, or nightlife in Shibuya, turning a visit into a highlight of any Tokyo itinerary.
Jax, no. So we are heading down now, guys. So we are on the top of the Shibuya Sky. So yes, you can see some of the those buildings. Very cutesy. Yeah. So there's a net here, and there's some of the security guard. So you cannot lean on the glass. kasi it's not totally like thick enough. So there's a lot of spots that you can take photos. So yeah. This is a souvenir shop. Toilet here. Toilet, guys. So that's it, guys. That's our Shibuya Sky dito sa Shibuya sa Japan, guys. And yes, guys, if you haven't yet checked our previous video, I hope you will watch that, jump that before you watch this video. Ito po siya, guys. So guys, anyway, highway, and yes, today's attraction is the Shibuya Sky, guys. So if you haven't yet checked our previous video, we are in Shibuya crossing, and yes, we saw also the Hachiko statue, guys, dito sa Shibuya sa Japan, and we are heading to walk for 10 minutes, which is the Shibuya Sky. So Shibuya Sky, guys, is the largest observation decks. It's offering 360 panoramic view of the Shibuya Scramble area dito sa Shibuya, dito sa Japan, guys. And if you will heading from the 14th floor to the 47th floor from the top of the Shibuya Sky rooftop deck, guys, makita nyo it's a open. There's also a helipad on the other side. There's also a sitting area for the tourists. And yes, guys, you need to purchase your tickets upon entry. And of course, nakita nyo, we are riding a lift from the 14th floor from the tower of Shibuya Center Tower, guys, to the heading to the 47th floor, guys, of the Shibuya Sento Tower, guys, na may kita niyo yung kanina sa ating video. Anyway, highway, guys, I will put their softmed if you want to explore their tickets. So, para kayo makapasok dun sa Shibuya Sky. And of course, guys, we duly highly recommend if you will planning to go there, just purchase tickets online. And of course, you will get the discounts when you get purchase your tickets online. Aside from the walk-in, you can also do purchase walk-ins kasi sometimes hindi siya advisable. And minsan kasi nagkakabusan siya ng ticket, guys. And you can see the 360 views from a 229 meter above from the Shibuya station. May kita nyo also, aside from the Shibuya crossing and Shibuya area na may kita nyo dito sa taas ng Shibuya Sky, you can also see this Tokyo Sky Tree that we went before if you haven't checked the videos. So, yung Tokyo Sky Tree, guys, is a mas mataas siya dito sa Shibuya Sky, guys. So, yung title ng Tokyo Sky Tree is the tallest observation broadcasting tower. And then kapag dito naman sa Shibuya Sky is the largest observation deck, which you can see the panoramic 360 views of the Shibuya. And also on the other side, you can also see the Mount Fuji if the weather is clear. The clouds are clear, guys, and it's a perfect weather. You can see also some of the mountain dito sa Japan along the way. Oh yes, guys, so may kita nyo rin siya. And yes, may kita nyo rin, guys, yeah, may kita nyo, it's open air. Aside from that, we are heading to it's a Instagram. If you will see the Instagram, the Facebook, guys, the YouTube from the YouTuber, guys, yes, ganun na ganun siya. It's my first time. Just been here before, as I told you before, guys. And yes, we are meeting up our friend Mr. Hang kasi nga mag-photo siya along the way dito sa Shibuya Sky. And of course, yes, it's a grab opportunity for us to meet him again. And yes, Mr. Hang. Anyhow, so yes, single si Mr. Hang. May kita niyo siya sa ating photos. Ayan. Nag-take siya ng some photos. And kami naman ni Jax, we're waiting for him. And yes, hindi masyadong crowded. So guys, very strict dito sa Shibuya Sky. So once you will get out of the lift, you will heading to another escalator. And then sa escalator, may mga guards doon, may mga guardias civil. And you need to put your bags at the locker area, which you will need to pay also the locker area, guys. It's not free because you need to not bring you backpacks. It's very prohibited. No foods allowed. No big cameras, guys. Phones is allowed. So, bawal ang backpack, bawal ang stroller. If you have a baby with a pram or stroller, guys, you need to get a their stroller on the building. So, yung stroller you need to deposit on the locker, guys, on the other side, which is the stroller deposit area. So very strict sila, and you can also look at the website, so which one is the prohibited and which one you can bring up to the rooftop. Very strict talaga dun, guys, kasi merong mga guardia civil, as I told you before. So yeah, may mga guardia civil talaga doon. Makikita niyo siya, guys. And yes, hindi masyadong crowded. Advisable if you will go there during weekdays. So weekend, talagang yeah, mapapalaban ka sa crowded ng people aside from the Shibuya crossing, guys. So, ayun na nga, guys, ang ating Shibuya Sky for today's video. So, maganda sila, both Tokyo Sky Tree and the Shibuya crossing, guys, which is the Shibuya Sky for today's video. So guys, ayun na nga, that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today, plus you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting our video, and mega love shout out each wonderful beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy our video for today, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys, be good, you take care, and konnichiwa, ciao la.